small size, without bubbles. This one also don't have bubbles. But this one maybe one day produce this has two models. One model is no air bubble model. One is high efficiency. Maybe you want to see the video, maybe we also can show you this. So we suggest you this machine.
And you say to me, because when you use this one, maybe you will get a little bit bubbles. How we can do without bubbles?
This one.
Which one is the best one? I don't want bubbles.
Everyone don't want bubbles.
Yes. But which one is the best one?
We have practiced many times with this machine. No bubbles. And you use maybe use the no air model. When you put the no air models, you need 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
But how many? I need to know how many pieces you use per day.
I think I could use that I can say 10 pieces.
It's not so much.
Sure.
Yeah, it's good.
First, you need to do monthly
champion. I don't have.
Okay. We have no CD certification. And this one is
But we sell this one many. This one no any issue.
and my question is, what is the better one? This one or this one? You know what it is? What is the better one?
This one.
Can you say, for me it's the price? No. I think this
For
is...
me, I promise you that one and this one in purpose.
Okay. After that, after this process, he put